Just posting an update on my Jeep build. This is the Crossmember I've been working on for the last, seems like, several months. Basically, I had to put this little steel saddle in here to clear the transfer case. Over here, originally I had smaller bushings. I just recently cut those old bushings out and put these bigger ones in. And these bushings right here, this is where it's going to mount to the frame rail, inside frame rail. Both sides over there, here's the other side. And then on the back side, it's got two more bushings that mount to the skid plate. So this thing's going to be wedged in there tight, and it's going to be stout as hell. And then over here, I took like several shackles and made this anchor, is what I call it, the anchor. If you give me a minute, I'll bolt it onto this Johnny joint, and you can see how my idea is going to work. Give me a second. Alright, here we go. Shackle is mounted to this Johnny joint. This is going to allow, well, first of all, there's going to be control arms coming off the axle mounted to these here. And as that axle twists, it's going to want to travel, these are going to travel up and down. With this securely mounted, this moves in every direction except up and down. So you're going to be pulling up and down while it's torquing, and it's going to keep the axle from wrapping. So over here I have a Johnny joint, so when the suspension goes through all its motions, you have, you know, flex. It moves side to side like this in every direction basically. Then up here I have another Johnny joint. When the axle articulates, it'll go like that, however it needs to go. If the suspension compresses or flex, it'll allow back and forth movement with the Johnny joint in here. This will also flex like that. I don't know if you can see that, but so basically it's allowing movement in every direction except the direction you don't want it to, which is up and down. On the back side, this is basically two shackles right here, and then I did a double shackle on the back side, made it a little thicker because I had to notch out these this right here for clearance. Articulating. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the basic idea. So this side is extra thick, and then over here I just had some plates, and I took some bolts and welded them in and grinded it all down, and this is what it's like. Know what you think? Think it's going to work or not? I think it will.